Hello! Let's try today 2 really easy ways how to turn off this ZIPPO hand warmer. Let's first take the lid off. And right now we can see the catalytic burner is working. It has this reddish color and it's really hot. So let's put the lid back on and let's take a plastic bag and let's put the hand warmer inside the bag and then we close it so it won't get any oxygen, so the ZIPPO hand warmer will slowly turn off without getting oxygen. And the other way is that we remove the catalytic burner with pliers, for example. Just lift it off. Or we take a small pocket knife, for example, and we just use this to lift the catalytic burner. So these are the 2 really easy ways how to turn off the ZIPPO hand warmer.